This message has been broadcasted to you by the Department of the Defense of the Republic. If this message has played in your electronic device's properties, then it's a personal message, aiming to keep you updated on what's going to happen. You've angered the individual entity named Son Goku by pronouncing the following phrase. My life is so depressing that if it was a person, it will beat Goku. And with that, you succeeded at putting the world in a risk of total annihilation. For the sake of the human race, we've came to the conclusion of offering your mortal body as a sacrifice to the threat, whose you angered. Be sure to remember that you did this to yourself. Any form of resistance will not be effective or tolerated. The period that shall take for your inevitable death to arrive has been broadcasted in your screen devices. We're sorry it's had to go this way. Thank you for listening to the message. We'll make sure to wish for you a painless ending.